go over the car and see what it came with and what it needs. And if you want to know if it's worth buying a project car unfinished, this is a little example of what to expect. I'm not complaining because I love the car. So just want to give you a heads up if you're not mentally ready and think you may want to get something but you don't know, and if you get it shipped, what to expect. Going over what's missing and what it came with. Well, the old original seats, front spoiler, the custom made it shorter. That's for the rear speaker area. Some gaskets on the door, I'm assuming. A bunch of trim and stuff. I don't even have an idea where it goes, but looks like a lot of stuff to go over. He gave me that steering wheel years ago when he sold the RX-2. Then when he got the RX-2 back, I gave it back to him, and now I own the RX-2, so it came with the car. Seat belts, pretty necessary in Florida. Trim, still gotta figure out where all that goes. It's gonna be a headache and a mission, but well worth it. We'll start with the front. Pretty much complete. You can see that I know of. I don't own RX-2, or never did actually, so project car. RX-3 had for 18 years almost. So just going over, does have the wipers here, but I'm guessing it needs bolts and gasket, the windshield washing thingy. I do have the trim. I just ordered those clips that go in between here to hold the windshield. I'm gonna be ordering that little gasket kit, whatever. Here looks very complete. He had one of his buddy do this engine bay for him. Came out really good. Pretty neat. Glad I don't have to mess with it. Missing, I think the trim is here somewhere. I don't know. I know it's missing these trims. I'm trying to look for them because I hate when the door slams hard. He thinks he's helping me. Door panels look pretty good. I think those pieces are there. I'm not sure if it has a trim that goes around here. Stay in the outside for now. They did install this one. Thinking there's a couple there. I don't know if it needs one here. I don't know. Needs the lock set. He did find some lights, so I'm just gonna black them out like everything else. Those little vents, they're there, but a couple of them are ripped. Do have the rear trim. Just gotta get those clips. The rear looks very complete. I just ordered a resonator because it's too loud for me. The gas level sending unit doesn't give me the levels up there, so I gotta figure that out. I'm just gonna clean this up, seal it, I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Just wanna do a rust prevention so it don't get worse. But I'm not gonna mess with it much. I got a big project there. That's more what I need to finish. Black that out. The little vents. The trim around here. I think he said he has them in there. Those pieces go in there. I'm gonna need that center console. Dash is cracked. It's okay. 73. He likes his steering wheel. Like the original one. I'll clean this mess up. Definitely need to switch this little shifter. Too tall for it. May switch that around. Does need the headliner, but not worried about it. Gas pedal for sure. Trying to little by little fix this little stuff. Car's pretty solid for the year. Like I said, I'm not gonna be messing with it, so it is gonna stay like that. He put the RX seats in it. They're comfortable, so they're gonna stay in it for now. Needs the headliner. I think he said that back piece is somewhere in that mess. Rear seats, if I find some decent ones, we'll install them. If not, whoever's right back seats are gonna be hurting. That's pretty clean. These gotta go. Put them temporarily just to have something. They're not bad. Definitely need the wipers for Florida weather. Always raining. I gotta get that seal around it. Pretty clean. If you guys see something I'm missing, pretty sure I am, let me know. I think I want to get a better fan. I'm not sure what brand it is for the Florida heat. Any recommendations, let me know. I don't edit my videos. I don't got time. Too busy to worry about what to edit. Hope you like them. It's all the RX2 parts. Crazy mess. Let's see if I could put my phone somewhere so you can hear it start. Yeah, that's good. have the Sniper. Fuel injectant carburetor.